Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be continuing with our number naming. So we're going to be starting off from 91 up to 100, and that will be the last of our number naming videos. If you would like me to continue with number naming videos, drop the comment on the comment section and let me know if you would like me to continue or not. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first number we have 91. 91 is called Masume Senyani T-E. 91 is called Masume Senyani T-E. 92. 92 is called Masume Senyani Pedi. 92 is called Masume Senyani Pedi. 93. 93 is called Masume Senyani Taro. 93 is called Masume Senyani Taro. 94. 94 is called Masume Senyani Nne. 94 is called Masume Senyani Nne. 95. 95 is called Masume Senyani Hlano. 95 is called Masume Senyani Hlano. 96. 96 is called Masume Senyani Tshela. 96 is called Masume Senyani Tshela. 97. 97 is called Masume Senyani Shupa. 97 is called Masume Senyani Shupa. 98. 98 is called Masume Senyani Seswai. 98 is called Masume Senyani Seswai. 99. 99 is called Masume Senyani Nyane. 99 is called Masume Senyani Nyane. So our last number we have 100. 100 is called Le Kholo. 100 is called Le Kholo. So thank you for riding with me up to this video where I'm ending the number naming videos. If you would like me to continue, drop in the comment section and let me know what you think. So that's it for our today's video. I will see you in the next video.